If you ask a law student that what is the biggest difficulty that they face, they will definitely say the legal language. Yes, most of the time they start reading and after reading 2 3 lines they feel like nothing is getting into their mind and they just stop it. When it comes to law of the sea, it is not different scenario. So what I have done here is I have prepared a dictionary for different parts of the sea so that with the image you can understand what exactly is a part of the sea, and whenever I am doing my future videos on law of the seas, you can connect it to the concept directly, or you can connect to what exactly I am speaking about. So hey guys, welcome to my legal classes. This is Ganesh Pujari and let us try understand the different part of the sea so that we can connect easily to my future videos. One important understanding before even we start the lecture is this dictionary is not going to give any clarifications on the terms that are being used here. For that, I am coming up with a new video that is on UNCLOS 3 where I will explain each of the part of the sea very clearly. But here in this video, we are understanding from where to where a particular part of the sea is seen. Now, the first part is baseline, that is your land area of your particular state or country, and immediately after the baseline, from the baseline to next 12 nautical miles is territorial sea. It is also called as territorial water and it is 12 nautical miles from baseline. Now, what is a nautical mile? One nautical mile is equal to 1.852 kilometer. After the territorial sea, next comes the contiguous zone, which is 12 nautical miles after the territorial sea. So if you happen to see in the image, the first 12 nautical miles is territorial sea. After the territorial sea, then starts the contiguous zone, which is 12 nautical mile again. So from the baseline, if you include territorial sea and contiguous zone, that becomes total of 24 nautical miles. After that, the third portion that we are getting in, that is named as exclusive economic zone. Exclusive economic zone is 200 nautical miles from the baseline. Now, if you see after territorial sea, it will be 188 nautical miles, and if you see after contiguous zone, it will be 176 nautical miles. Why I am saying this? You need to remember this very clearly that EEZ is inclusive of territorial sea and contiguous zone. Below that you can see continental shelf, which will be most of the time 200 nautical miles, but in certain cases the continental shelf can be extended up to 350 nautical miles also, but there I have put star because it has certain terms and conditions, and all those terms I am going to explain you when I am going to handle the UNCLOS 3. I want to keep this video as short as possible, and that video will be detailed video on all of these zones very clearly. And the last part is international seabed or the deep seabed, which is also known as high seas. Here one important aspect you need to observe as far as airspace is concerned: the baseline and territorial sea, the airspace is also considered as national airspace, whereas all the other zone it is considered as international airspace. I have not covered two other concepts, that is internal water and archipelagic water. I am going to cover them in my UNCLOS 3 presentation. What is UNCLOS? It is United Nations Conventions for the Law of the Sea. There I am going to explain each of them very clearly, including the territorial water, the contiguous water, what is EEZ, what is continental shelf, what is international seabed, what is internal water, what is archipelagic water. All those terms I am going to explain maybe in one video or maybe in the series of 2 3 videos, but I am going to ensure that you get everything related to them. But this video is to just understand where exactly a place comes in a map. I hope that you have already got it from this particular video. Wait for my next videos. Next video will be on the conventions, and after that I will get in detail on the third convention where you will get complete picture of these particular aspects. With that, I am taking off. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel. Please like, share and comment my videos. All the very best for whatsoever purpose you are watching me, and thanks again.